arms up first. Me! Ganon. Who's the fastest of... Give two color mommy's favorite. Three, wala pa. 3, 2, 1, go! Si Chuchi.
Pink, purple, and orange.
Two only.
Pink and purple.
Very good. Here's a
What
surprise.
is in there?
What?
That's a
What is
present.
in there?
Okay, mamaya.
I think I need
What's
to...
that?
I don't know what's in there.
I think I need to get... Mommy, I
You
need
too?
to play. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Can I open it right
No.
now?
Yeah, you can open.
What's that?
What is this?
Can you try it? Can you taste it?
Wow!
Taste it, taste it.
Can it taste?
No. I want have that.
Next is, what is
Sarap-sarap
mommy's...
yan eh.
Kaya mo. What is...
That's taro.
If I say go, okay, arms up. What is mommy's hair color? Wala pa. 3, 2, 1, go! Carly.
No, what the first thing
No,
Carly.
I saw Carly.
is black.
Very good!
What?
What is it?
What's
Can
inside?
I open it?
What?
Wow! It's the
Wow.
same! What's mommy's favorite food to cook na may sabaw? 3, 2, 1, go! Carly. Chuchi. With
Sinigang.
Ay, ang galing! Can I see?
What? What?
Next.
Can you open it?
Yes.
Two.
Is mommy likes a colorful or a black? 3, 2, 1, go! Chuchi.
Rainbow.
Very good, colorful. What is, Carly, what is mommy's hate food? Carly.
Is
Laki na.
raisin.
Ay, ang galing!
Raisin.
Raisins.
Yeah.
This is hard. What
It's
is,
Tootsie Spoon. It's Tootsie.
when is mommy's birthday? 3, 2, 1, go! Carly.
Mayful.
Very good!
Yay!
And how old is mommy? 3, 2, 1, go! How old?
36.
Ay, 36. You're correct.
Yeah.
This is your prize.
35.
This is your prize.
Can you open it?
Yes!
Yay!
I should play.
No, another
I
one.
thought it's candy.
What's that?
I thought it's a candy. You bring it.
Alright.
That's
Dun, dun, dun.
that's
Can
your
we have
other.
another round?
What? Nabuhay eh.
It's Tatay's turn. It's Tatay's turn. On another
You
round.
owe
Sa
me
house
5.
naman.
No, Tatay's turn now. What is mommy?
What is mommy and tatay's country before?
Canada.
Answer. Chuchi.
Chuchi.
Philippines.
Very good!
Good.
Isa-isa lang. Wow!
What
Next
is
is,
What?
what is,
tatay's favorite color? Carly.
I did it first. Black.
very good.
Very
And
good.
what else?
And what else?
It
Any?
is Dwayne.
Yeah.
Ay, ang galing!
How do you know?
And why?
Ay, ang galing!
How do you know?
I know it because I just saw it from there. I told
Okay.
it to Carly.
Oh, dali.
Smart.
Smart.
Yay!
What is Tatay favorite shoes?
It's Tootsie.
What is the logo in the shoes ni Tatay?
I know.
What?
Nike.
Ay, ang galing!
Another one.
Na,
Ano ba ba?
Ang liit.
Palit ng palit ah.
Me too.
What is... Why is mommy always getting mad? Chuchi first.
Because we're doing bad.
And Carly?
And we're doing jumping everywhere.
Oh, galing!
We're jumping
Ito.
everywhere.
If
wait lang.
if mommy is feeling happy, feeling sad, when she's praying, she's talking to who? Both of you.
Papa Jesus! Papa Jesus!
Ay, ang galing. You win. Both of you. How can I, how can I?
Crack it.
How are you gonna crack it?
Two!
What makes mommy happy? Kurt first.
When we listen to mommy.
And Carly.
And we didn't jump.
Very good. What is mommy's color ng jacket every day? Curty.
Black.
No?
Pink.
Si Carly.
No, I did it also.
You answer black. Si
Only
Carly
one
answer
answer.
ng pink. Only one answer, not you're gonna
Yay!
answer all.
Yay!
Uy. Okay,
Yeah.
ready? What mommy? Stand up, Carl.
Stand up.
Stand up.
You play the game.
What time mommy? Doon ka stand up there beside Chuchi. Tumansura mo. What time mommy alarm every morning?
Is
Chuchi first.
7
Ang
a.m.
galing! Oh, one more. What time is a sleeping time? Carly.
8:30.
Oh, galing!
Yay! Yun!
Last one.
Yan na, magpila.
Yes or no?
Yes.
When you sleep, wala ba?
Only say the word.
Ha?
Only say the word.
Just say the word. If you wake up, is tatay at home or no?
No. Yes.
No. Is when you wake up, is tatay at home?
No.
Yes or? Eva, you answer yes. No more.
Happy
Birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
You blow.
One more.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Clap.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy.
Say happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
One more. One more. Happy birthday. Ready? Go.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Ay. That's so long.
Ulit
Oh, I'm gonna blow. Ready? Blow.